stop wasting time searching for games, here's how to set up a VPN on your smart TV to bypass blackouts on Sling TV in 3 easy steps. Blackouts are location-based restrictions that prevent you from watching local games. A VPN solves this by masking your IP address. Step 1. Install a reputable VPN app directly from your smart TV's app store. If your TV doesn't support apps, you can install it on your router. Search for your provider, hit download, and sign in. Remember to avoid third-party or unofficial apps as they are significant security risks. Step 2. Connect to a server location outside the blackout area. For example, if you're in New York and the game is blacked out, pick a server in Chicago or LA. Ensure the connection is stable. These steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Step 3. Once connected, launch the Sling TV app. It will now see your new location and grant access to the restricted stream. If you run into issues, clear your app cache or contact official support at 833-389-2054. Use official channels only for your security. To recap, install your VPN, choose a server outside the blackout zone, and launch Sling. Simple as that. For more quick fixes and tech tips, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'm your instructor, and I'll see you in the next one.